Hello, this is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and let me apologize for my live stream going dead stream. My computer decided in the middle of my live stream that was a fantastic time to do a restart. Um, yeah, my computer decided to restart on me. I do apologize. So let me catch up. So I will not be doing an early afternoon live on Saturday because I have something else I have to go do, but I will try and get on later in the afternoon. I have a sale on Friday. I did post an announcement for it, so let's see if that shows up or if anybody gets the notice. If not, I'll post it in the group and then in the chat. And when my live stream went dead, I decided to go and check the mail. And so I got package. Amy and I got our package from Miss Tina over at Tina's Crafty Life. And, okay, so I got a witchy clock. I love these, right? She, stamped this and colored it and everything all herself, and frick, it's cool. And then I got these. Darla actually bought these for me. And this is like Tina's first pour, her first acrylic pours were these. And look at how stinking cute these things are. And she painted them herself, right? I think they look awesome. And then this, I was waiting for this. This tiny little bag has 6 clusters in it for Halloween. So there's this one. It's got eyelash trim on it. It says trick or treat. It's got all kinds of glitter stuff on it. It's just thick. And then there's this one that says Witch and Famous. That's me. I'm the Witch and Famous. And then there's this one. It says trick or treat. It's got a ghost on it and a little pumpkin. And it's got some lace. And that looks like probably cheesecloth back there and some ribbon. Very cool. And then there's this one that says Trick or Treat, Happy Halloween. It's got a big pumpkin on it, some eyelash trim, and some rickrack. It's some organza ribbon, and then it's got some other ribbons over here, and some lace, and a piece of fabric. And, of course, these are all on Tina's mixed media backgrounds, and I love her mixed media. And then there's this one. It says Happy Halloween. Look, it's the one-legged witch, one-legged witchy woman. I'm going to send that one to Laura. Wait a minute. Here's the other leg. We found the other leg. It's 2 left feet, honey. A little sugar skull with a witch's hat on it. How stinking cute is that? She made hundreds of these, and no 2 of them are alike. She just, made the basis for them, and then she just kind of sat there and just glued stuff to everything and just went from one to the next. And she put them all in this little tiny bag. Now, let's see what kind of magic I can do. Not the good kind. Trust me. There's no way I'm getting these all back into this tiny, teeny, tiny little bag. I will admit that Tina is a far better woman than I. Look at that. She cut fringe on a piece of fabric. Okay, I hate her. No, I don't. She's my good friend, and I do not hate her. I love her. If you get a chance, go and check out her channel. It's Tina's Crafty Life. I will link it in the description box below. Let me get these out of the way. And then I had a package, and I got these. Oh, my God. I have been waiting for these, okay? So this is a pack of brads, all right? And I'm going to take one of these little suckers out of here. This is a regular school size, brad. And I found these, and I had to have them, okay? Look at the back. You can see it's kind of got a certain shape to it. Yep. It is a tiny, tiny, tiny. Let me get a piece of black here so maybe we can see this. Tiny little black skull. Oh, let me get it to focus. There we go. It is literally a tiny little black skull. This is how tiny it is. Okay? I'm going to put this in. In fact, I'm going to turn this over because the other side has slots on it. I'm going to put that in, and I'm going to put the little skull next to it. That is how small this little skull is. Right? So I ordered a pack because they were stinking cute. Put this away. And then I got this box. Now, I took the paper off of the box because it had identifying information on it, and I don't like to show that. So, so I got this box from Alisa. She said that she was sending me some HappyMail. And so I'm going to assume that this is my HappyMail. And I'm going to open it. If this is a glitter bomb, I will hunt people down. So far, so cool, so good. This is cool. I like this paper. Seriously, this is a glitter bomb. It's not a glitter bomb. It's a woo. I like the paper. Okay. It's a woo. I love folk art type stuff, so this is adorable. This is a woo. This is a woo. If you don't know what a woo is, it says woo, to seek, to gain, to bring about. The woo is a benevolent force reappearing to remind us that a positive attitude is essential, that anything is possible, and as always, peace and love. So this is a woo. It's a woo. It's a woo. It's a woo woo. It's a woo. I got a woo. I love HappyMail, but I really love HappyMail that's like all about me. Yeah, I'm rotten. What do you want from me? This is stinking cute. Listen, this is adorable. Thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. This is stinking cute. Just whoa, over the top, way more than I expected. This is not a HappyMail. This is a gift, okay? Thank you so much. I'm going to put him up in my craft room so I can see him all the time. I try to be positive, so this will be a good thing because it'll help me stay positive. That's it, guys. That's all I have, okay? Because nobody wants to see a fat woman cry. It's bad. All right. So if you haven't done so already, hit the red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. I will see you all tomorrow. That is Friday, the 21st. At 1 o'clock for a quick scavenger sale. Okay, it's not quick. It's going to be like 2 hours, but it's going to be a scavenger sale. I got a lot of stuff from the scavenger that I need to get rid of, and I've got more stuff from scavenger that I haven't even been able to process yet, so I got to get rid of it. So that's it. Do me a favor. If you see somebody that you haven't subscribed to, that you haven't made your friend, go and subscribe to them. Make them your friend. Let's build a healthy and happy and fun, caring, and contributing community here on YouTube within our group, okay? Let's expand our group. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.